Hi guys, it's been a while. Uh, haven't been all that well, but anyway, I thought I've been hearing from the lads. There's been some interesting stuff going on in the pond on the allotment, and the fox is up to his tricks. So I come down and show you, do a quick plot tour, and take some shots. I've been told there's a newt up here, and what else have I been told? Some dragonflies coming out of chrysalises. So that's what I'll be doing today. Okay, I'll show you around. Well, excuse the weeds. I haven't been as fit as normal. But anyway, here's some. These are sown early, some beetroot, and planted in the greenhouse and planted out, and some onions as well. They're not lucky. These aren't the best onions. I've got better onions at the end. This is green manure. What I'm trying to do is improve the fertility of this part over here. The English poppy, the Flanders poppy. I've also this year, for the first time, put netting around my climbing beans, and this is the first year where they've been climbing up. I mean, there's a bit of slug damage, but they've been climbing successfully. Normally what happens is they get slaughtered by slugs, and then I have to resow in July. These are potato onions, these ones. They're basically a shallot, but they taste like an onion, and they divide. They don't flower very often. Well, the first lot, when I started with this, they all flowered, but they haven't flowered since. And I grow. I station. I sow 3, 4 or 5 leek seeds in a module, and then put them out in a cluster, and I get quite a large harvest. This is really good seed. It's Robinson's Autumn Mammoth, I think it is, or Blanche Leek. Tell me about these newts of yours then, mine.
Well, the newts, it's actually, there's 3 that I know of in there, and I think they've been laying eggs over this past week or so, because she's doing weird stuff around the plants. It's like she's rubbing herself up against it. And apparently, because I've had to Google it,
it's a female newt.
Yeah.
Is it? Well, how can you tell?
I'm assuming it's a female because she's laying eggs.
All right, sorry. Okay, all right.
I'll check the colour of your hair later.
No. So what's going on now? Is this just after the chrysalis, or?
Yeah. They were swimming around in the bottom of the pond up until maybe yesterday, and then they climb out of the water. They're just here. If you where that leaf is, right at the bottom of it, there's
there's an empty
shallot.
Yeah. Right.
But what amazes me is the body size. They're at least 2 centimeters longer when they come out of the chrysalis. Well, that was worth coming up before, that was. And the other one on Saturday was in exactly the same place.
So then, mate, what are you doing with this cardboard and this this manure then?
Well,
Right.
this is one of my. This is a pan. Which, if we put cardboard down, suppresses the weeds and acts as a bed barrier. And then you put your manure on top, and then you walk on it for the rest of the time. And then when it's done, it's all broken down. You can turn the whole lot over and put it on a bed.
Yeah.
And it's a effective way to keep your feet clean. Well, ish.
So you're gonna walk all over this and it'll rot down, yeah?
This will rot down.
Yeah.
And then we'll feed the ground. It's a bit harsh for anything to really grow in it at the moment. But when it breaks down, I haven't got so far though, I haven't got a wheelbarrow anyway. I can just lift it up, turn it over, and put it on a bed.
Yeah.
There.
So you know, like if you were reading a gardening book, they'd say make sure that you rotted that down for 2 years before using it. So what do you say to that then?
Well, it works for us.
Yeah.
It just works.
So it's long experience.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it works.
Oh wow, that is this lens is awesome.
You got it?
Oh yeah. I'm miles away and I got a really good shot of him. I need to get closer.
That's the first time I've seen a pair of them together.
I've seen three playing with each other, like running around and in circles and stuff.
Or they might be eating Jerry's leaves.
Well, that's our little trip up to the plot. I'm sorry I haven't posted. I haven't disappeared off the face of the earth. I've just been recuperating. But there should be more coming soon as I build up my strength. We shall be exploring no dig for necessities reasons rather than ethics or pragmatism or anything else. Or permaculture, anything else like that. So as we go forward, we'll be exploring that option. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. out of necessity, I'm now interested in no dig. I use no dig quite a lot, and what I mean by that is don't dig the soil and put a couple of inches of compost on top of the soil to feed it. Charles Dowding method. I do that at home in the back garden, and I do it in parts of the allotment, but instead of compost I use mulch, grass mulch, and various other green matter that I can find. Now I'm starting to look differently at the spade, and it's something I'm going to explore in the next couple of videos. Is how to what sort of equipment can be used in the garden when you're not as fit as you used to be. So yeah, we're going to be examining can you deal with bindweed and mare's tail without digging? And up till now I'd say, well, it's not ideal, but now I'm facing the necessity of I can't really face digging. Is it viable, or am I going to have to give up the plot? So this is the question. So anyway, yeah. Sorry, I haven't been around. I shall do some more soon. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra for now.